This video is part of a series showing standard installation of Hunter Panels Xci Polyiso in conjunction with various brick veneer anchors. Install the first piece of Xci foil Class A cut to 16 inches by 96 inches using construction adhesive on the back of the insulation. The typical pattern is 3-inch diameter dabs of construction adhesive spaced 16 inches on center. Then, place the piece of polyiso against the weather-resistant barrier. Press firmly along the length of the board to ensure good adhesion to the wall. This video will illustrate base plates being mounted in horizontal orientation as the polyiso is being installed. In this application, brick veneer base plates are attached at each stud horizontally, with the long side of the anchor plate flat against the top of the Hunter Xci Foil Class A polyiso and the short side of the anchor plate turned upward. The screw is placed through the anchor hole and fastened through the gypsum sheathing into the stud. It is important to not over-torque the screws. Refer to anchor screw manufacturer's specific recommendations. Hunter Xci Barabond is a high-solids silane-terminated polyether, or STPE-based compound designed for detailing penetrations, sheathing joints, and other critical details in continuous insulation systems. Here we show Xci Barabond being applied in the joints between pieces of polyiso and over the base plates after the anchor and base plate are installed. This is a single-component moisture-cured adhesive sealant which is applied from a sausage caulking gun. When applying Xci Barabond between boards, as shown in this example, it is important to have a continuous bead application so that when the foam pieces butt snugly together, a good seal is achieved. As this process repeats itself up the wall, it is recommended to stagger the insulation seams vertically to minimize potential continuity for thermal, air, or water intrusion. Proper sealing of seams is required if the polyiso insulation will also serve air or water barrier functions. If the polyiso will serve only as the insulation layer and a separate barrier is used, sealing of seams may not be required. Use of joint treatments is at the discretion of the specifier. When sealed seams are desired, numerous options are available, including tapes, liquid sealants, and single-component spray foams. Tapes will be applied to the exterior surface of the polyiso insulation. Single-component spray foams will be applied between boards, and liquid sealants can be installed either between boards or on the exterior surface of the insulation. Once complete, all that is left to do is to hang brick ties off the base plates for brick veneer installation. For more information, please visit hunterpanels.com or installpolyiso.com or call 888-746-1114.